Hey guys, it's me, Regina, and here I've got a Frosty Fresh holiday look for you guys today. Now I'm starting with the Aritaum Pore Master Primer. I just want to make sure that my nose and the inner parts of my cheek look poreless for the meantime. And now I'm adding the Face Shop Miracle Finish BB Cushion. And if you've seen my other videos, this is my favorite and so far my only BB cushion at the moment. I just like a little coverage, not too thick. Now I'm adding Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer on my under eyes and all the dark areas around the rest of my eyelids. Now I like to use a brush lately because it just adds a really thin layer to my skin without it feeling cakey, and I feel like I save more product with this. So have you guys started decorating your houses yet? Because we have 0 Christmas decorations at the moment, and I don't even know if we even should, because it's not like anyone's going to see them. We're actually on lockdown here in France at the moment. Life. Alright, so here I just set my eyes and nose with the Innisfree Mineral Pact. And here I'm using Urban Decay Naked Palette with the lightest shade of brown that I use to contour my nose. Now I don't want my nose to be snatched, but I want it to be snatchural, quote unquote. J-Lo's makeup artist. But yeah, I just want to give my face dimension because it looked a bit flat from all the BB cushion and concealer. And now I just want to make my brows look full, not too defined, so I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is a very thin pencil liner for your eyebrows. And yeah, I'm just filling in the gaps and blending it in. And here I'm taking Too Faced Shadow Insurance to keep my shadows in place and giving it a boost of color. And here I'm also applying on the bottom part of my eyes. Now here I have Stila in Kitten. It's one of the frostiest eyeshadows I have, and I'm taking contact lens solution to wet my brush because I want to intensify my eyeshadow color. Now here's a frugal tip, because cream and liquid shadows are quite popular nowadays, and I know some of you just don't have the budget, so this is what I do personally. I just take a wet brush and wet my shadows, and it's almost the same thing. Now I'm taking NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette with this blue light grayish color and adding it on the outer corners and also on my crease and also the bottom corner of my eyes. Outer corner. So what are your plans for Christmas? Because I don't know on your side of the world if you're stuck or not, but we sure miss our family and friends quite a lot. Taking the same palette, I got this really rich blue color. It looks turquoise on my skin, or if I apply it lightly. And this is just the splash of color that you need. And here I am bringing it in, blending it towards the inner corner of my eye, staying in the region of my lash line. Apply a little bit on the bottom part. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and just blending out the harsh lines because you want that glowy, fresh look. And here I am curling my lashes. And take a cotton bud and just run it through your waterline just to take the moisture away. And here I have NYX Faux Whites eyeliner. I got this pinkish color, but it looks kind of white when you apply it on my waterline. This is the key to giving that glow and open-eyed look. Now here I'm taking a brown liner, and this is from Sephora. It's waterproof. And I am going to fill in between my lashes because mine are almost non-existent. So this will help give me a defined eyelash look. What am I saying? Now I'm taking Benefit Highbrow Glow. This isn't supposed to be there, but you're supposed to put that on your brow bone to give your brows a lift. But I'm using it on my inner corners of my eye, and if you don't have this kind of product, just use a light concealer. Now I'm taking again the Stila Kitten eyeshadow and applying it on my inner corners of my eye. So I kind of use the highbrow as sort of a primer. Now here is the star of the show. I got this from Kiko Milano. It's called Super Color Liner. And I am coloring it on my lashes to give that icy look. And also painting it on my waterline, but just halfway. I know it can be intimidating, and I know for some their eyes water if you touch the waterline, but if you can't handle it, just take it the level below and apply it on your lash line instead of your waterline. Now I added mascara, and here I'm going to put on some falsies. Use your favorite falsies. I don't even know what brand this was. I just have it. Now here I'm taking Avon True Luminous Blush, and I've had this for a long time and it still hasn't hit pan, and it just has a soft pink. Nothing too drastic. Now my camera shut down, so here I've already patted my lips with a bit of gloss and just pinking it up, making it pinker with this lip and cheek tint from Bench. Now here's a very, very soft pink look. And there you go. I fixed up my hair with a bit of hairspray to slick it back. And I hope you guys enjoy your holidays, especially in these difficult times. See you guys soon. Bye.